नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं जयश्री हिंदी अध्यापिका आप सबको श्री गोकुलम पब्लिक स्कूल गुरुवायूर ऑनलाइन क्लास के लिए स्वागत करती हूँ। Children, today let's revise lesson 3 ताली रे ताली. शब्दार्थ word meaning 80 80 90 90 100 100 खेल game नाम name ताली clap बच्चे children प्यारे dear लड्डू a kind of sweet बोलना speak अभ्यास 1 पढ़िए और समझिए read and understand क प्लस का children let's learn a word with का सिक्का सिक्का coin च प्लस चा बच्चा child ट प्लस टा लट्टू टॉप ड प्लस डा Children, let's learn a word with da gudda t plus ta patta leaf the plus da raddi wastage अभ्यास 2 का चित्रों को उनके नाम से मिलाइए मैच द पिक्चर्स विद देयर इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी नेम्स दिस इज ए पिक्चर ऑफ कैट चिल्ड्रन नाउ लेट्स जॉइन पिक्चर ऑफ कैट विद इट्स हिंदी नेम बिल्ली एंड इट्स इंग्लिश नेम कैट बिल्ली cat Children, can you identify this picture? This is a picture of coin. It is already matched in textbook. Sikka, coin. This is a picture of bat. Children, let's join the picture of bat with its Hindi name Balla and its English name bat. This is a picture of a puppy. Children, now let's join picture of puppy with its Hindi name Pilla and its English name puppy. Children, can you identify this picture? Candle. Children, now let's join picture of candle with its Hindi name Mobatti and its English name candle. Children, can you identify this picture? Leaf. Children, now let's join picture of leaf with its Hindi name patta and English name leaf. Children, this is a picture of piggy bank. Children, now let's join picture of piggy bank with its Hindi name Gullak and its English name piggy bank. Now let's join picture of owl with its Hindi name Ullu and its English name owl. अभ्यास 2 घ शब्द पढ़कर सही जगह पर लिखिए. Read the words and write them at proper place. The options are shakkar, sugar, chattan, rock, patti, bandage, laddu, a kind of sweet, patta, leaf, kacha, unripe, gadda, mattress, sacha, real, gudda, doll, chatta, hide, makka, cone, raddi, wastage. Children, can you find out the words with ka from the box given here? Shakkar, makka. Shakkar is already written in your textbook. Children, now let's write makka below shakkar. Cha. Children, can you find out the words with cha from the box given here? Kacha, sacha. Children, write kacha and sacha here. Children, can you find out the words with the ta from the box given here? Chattan, patti. Children, write chattan, patti here. Dha. Children, can you find out the words with the dha? Laddu, gudda. Ta. Children, write patta, chatta below ta. Da. Gadda, raddi. अभ्यास 3 का उदाहरण के अनुसार शब्द पूरे कीजिए. Complete the words according to the examples. Ha plus ka, hakka. Similarly, we can write ba plus ka, bakka. Dha plus ka, dakka. Bha plus cha, bacha. Similarly, we can write ka plus cha, kacha. Sa plus cha, sacha. घ पहचानिए और इसके नाम लिखिए. Recognize and write their names. Lattu, top. Pilla, puppy. Raddi, wastage. अभ्यास 4 का दीवार पर लिखे द्वित्व व्यंजनों से 3 शब्द बनाकर लिखिए. Make 3 words with the given clusters. Na, ma, ba, la, Sa. Na. Children, let's write 3 words with na. One word with na. An is already written in your textbook. An, food. Children, let's write 2 more words here. Ghanna, sugarcane. Munna, baby. Ma, mummy, mother. Chammach, spoon. Amma, mother. Ba. Children, you can write dibba, box. Gubbara, balloon. Dabba, stain. La. Ullu, owl. Billy, cat. Dilli, Delhi. Sa. Children, you can write rassi, rope. Lassi, lassi. Hissa, part. Gha. Saman lai wale shabd banaiye. Make rhyming words. The words that have same ending sounds are called rhyming words. Kacha. Children, you can write sacha, bacha. Kacha, unripe. Sacha, real. Bacha, child. Billy, silly, dilly. Billy, cat. Silly, a big piece of ice. Dilly, Delhi. Mase maseme, having fun. Abhyas 8. Exercise number 1. दिए गए शब्दों में ई की मात्रा लगाकर नए शब्द बनाइए. Make new words using the sign of E. Luck, lick. That is already done in your textbook. Sir. Children, add E की मात्रा and write sir here. Sir, sir. Bal. Children, add E की मात्रा and write bill. Bal, bill. Hull. Children, add E की मात्रा and write hill. Hull, hill. Luck, lick. Sir, sir. Bal, bill. Hull, hill. Hope you all enjoy my class. One YouTube URL, notes and questions are attached with this video. Learn well and stay safe.